So if you take physics, this will be a very classic problem, like two objects going through the pulley. One is hanging in the air, the other one is on the table. In SAT math, we don't ask you to come up with this equation because that's what physics is for. You won't learn this typically in regular physics, but you'll definitely learn this in AP Physics 1 and AP Physics C. Alright, so we got two objects connected by a string, which is threaded by a pulley. Using each weight, object 2 moves object 1 along a flat surface. The acceleration is a, and the important part of this question is the equation. The acceleration of the system is the second mass times the gravity constant. The mu is typically the coefficient of friction, m1g over m1 plus m2. So we got the two different mass and g's acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so what we need to do, let's just jump to the question. We need to find mu here. Mu is right here. So this question is simply rearranging the variables. So let's first get rid of this m1, m2, m1 plus m2. Add these on both sides, and you cancel that out. We have m1 plus m2 times a is equal to m2g minus mu m1g. We're looking for mu. So sometimes people divide by m1g on both sides, and I say you are complicating the situation. Okay, work on the side that has nothing to do with the expression that contains the variable of interest. Get rid of this. So what do? Subtract m2g on both sides. Okay, because this is already implied positive, the reversal of that is minus. So you apply minus and on both sides and it will cancel out, which makes our situation favorable, simplifying our right side of equation. Okay, I'll still highlight the part we are in interest. We have interest. So m1 plus m2, a minus m2g. What do we do next? Let's divide both sides by negative m1g. Okay, negative m1g, negative m1g. Negatives are gone, so now we only have mu on one side, and the rest are on the left side. So I'm gonna flip that. So we get this. But if you look at the answer choices, they all have positive m1g. So when I multiply negative one top and bottom, I'm gonna keep the bottom positive m1g, and on the top, when you distribute negative for each, the negative makes it plus. And this is what you get. Oh, that's not right. We need a here. So this is what you get. Do we have the answer? I think the last one is m2g minus a. You can put this in front if you want. m1 plus m2 inside the parentheses over m1g. Yes.